Hello, the good guys. Welcome to Sunny Homes here in Padre Garcia. This is the actual location and grabe ang luwag with that view over there. And this is, of course, my partner, Eldin. And this is the inner unit of Margaret. Ito na yung deliverables natin. Okay. So, we have the 2-story homes with lot area of 52 square meters and 48 square meters yung floor area niya. So, once you enter, so yan, nandiyan pa si Manong Card. So, ito yung deliverables niya. Meron siya na kitchen sink. Ito yung sa toilet niya. Ayan. And then we have the open area. Ito yung for expansion niya na po pwede natin gamitin for laundry. Yan. Or ano pa, dirty kitchen pa. So, ito na yung living area niya. And of course, we do have na yung ano niya. Ito yung sa second floor niya. Yan. I'm going up right now. And then, ito yung area niya. Open lang siya for you to be able to set kung ilang bedrooms ang gusto ninyo. But this can be for 2 to 3 bedrooms. It's because pwede pa naman siya na-expand dito sa side na to. Ayan. So, maluwag pa siya.